If you want to succeed with affiliate marketing, you must first build your business. You have to build it on the right niche. A niche, of course, relates to the category of topics or problems that the products you are promoting solve. That's what a niche is. Unfortunately, failed marketers choose niches the wrong way. First, they go for niches based on a hunch. They have a gut feel that a niche is hot or awesome. This is a serious problem because even if you think something is great, it doesn't necessarily mean that your target audience members will share your impression. Failed marketers also choose niches based on popularity. Too many Clickbank affiliates select solely based on gravity. You can't just go based on popularity. You have to look at the big picture. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the importance of digital product affiliate marketing. You will learn how to market products the right way. You will understand how successful Clickbank marketers play the game. You can begin to understand that you're going to have to use high-quality content to deliver value to lives of people you are trying to market to. You're going to learn how winning Clickbank marketers choose niches. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Clickbank Marketing Secrets. Learn the secrets of the gurus, get more traffic, and dominate Clickbank. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Your Clickbank success depends on the niche you choose. How do 3-layer conversion systems work for Clickbank marketing? Clickbank marketing overview. How to select a niche product to promote the smart way. How to get your niche target keywords. Quora answer marketing. Comment on blog posts that use Facebook comments. Forum marketing. Automated Twitter marketing. Automated Facebook marketing, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually make a tremendous amount of money using Clickbank. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to be able to create a system that will enable you to make money from Clickbank. You want to have the right system when it comes to generating content. You know that the reason too many people struggle with Clickbank is because they do not know how to market products the right way. You want to have the chance to build your business. You want to learn how to market Clickbank products the right way. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Clickbank Marketing Secrets Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Clickbank Marketing Secrets Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Clickbank Marketing Secrets Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to make money from Clickbank, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you.